Imagine waking up to find your money has grown while you slept. This is the allure of passive income, and in the world of cryptocurrency, AI-powered trading bots promise to make this dream a reality. No longer must you be chained to charts and indicators, constantly monitoring market fluctuations. Instead, you can program an intelligent bot to trade for you, capitalizing on opportunities 24/7. This essay will guide you step by step through the process of building your very own AI crypto trading bot, opening the door to a world of automated profits. But before we dive into the technicalities, it's important to remember that trading, even with AI, carries inherent risks. Crypto markets are notoriously volatile, and no strategy, no matter how sophisticated, can guarantee profits. This guide should not be taken as financial advice but rather as an exploration into the exciting possibilities and potential pitfalls of AI-powered trading. Before embarking on our bot-building journey, we need to gather the necessary tools. First, we'll enlist the help of ChatGPT, a powerful language model that will assist us in crafting profitable trading strategies. Next, we'll use Python, a versatile programming language, to translate these strategies into executable code. To connect our bot to the cryptocurrency exchanges, we'll utilize APIs provided by platforms like Binance or Pionex, renowned for their liquidity and diverse trading pairs. Finally, to ensure our bot is battle-tested before it enters the live markets, we'll employ Backtrader, a popular backtesting library for Python. This will allow us to simulate our bot's performance using historical market data, identifying potential flaws and optimizing its parameters for maximum profitability. Optionally, we can also integrate 3Commas, a platform offering advanced trading automation tools, to further enhance our bot's capabilities. With our tools assembled, we can begin constructing our AI trading bot. The first step involves leveraging the power of ChatGPT to devise profitable trading strategies. By feeding the model historical market data and desired risk parameters, we can prompt it to generate a range of trading strategies based on technical analysis, sentiment analysis, or even arbitrage opportunities. Once we've identified a promising strategy, we translate it into Python code, defining clear entry and exit points, position sizing, and risk management rules. Next, we establish a connection to our chosen cryptocurrency exchange, either Binance or Pionex, via their respective APIs. This will allow our bot to interact with the live markets, placing buy and sell orders according to the rules defined in our Python script. Before deploying our bot, however, we must thoroughly back-test it using Backtrader. By feeding it historical market data, we can evaluate its performance over different time frames and market conditions, fine-tuning its parameters to maximize profitability and minimize risk. Section 4. Safety first. Navigating the crypto waters. Before unleashing our AI trading bot into the volatile world of cryptocurrency markets, it's crucial to prioritize safety and risk management. One essential precaution is to start by trading in paper trading mode. This involves simulating real-world trading without risking actual capital, allowing us to observe our bot's behavior and identify any potential flaws in a risk-free environment. Once we're confident in our bot's performance, we can gradually transition to live trading, starting with small amounts of capital and gradually increasing our exposure as our confidence grows. Furthermore, it's crucial to implement robust risk management strategies directly into our bot's code. This includes setting stop-loss orders to automatically exit positions if the market moves against us, preventing catastrophic losses. We can also implement position sizing strategies to ensure that our bot never risks more than a predetermined percentage of our total capital on any single trade. Remember, even the most sophisticated AI trading bot cannot predict the future with 100% accuracy. Markets are inherently unpredictable, and unforeseen events can occur, leading to unexpected losses. By prioritizing safety, risk management, and continuous monitoring, we can mitigate these risks and increase our chances of long-term success in the exciting world of automated crypto trading. Section 5. The future is automated, refining your trading edge. Congratulations! You've now embarked on your journey into the world of AI-powered crypto trading. Remember, building a successful trading bot is an iterative process. Continuously monitor its performance, analyze its trades, and make adjustments to its strategy and parameters as needed. The cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Stay informed about market trends, emerging technologies, and new trading strategies to ensure your bot remains competitive. The potential rewards of automated trading are significant, offering the possibility of generating passive income and freeing up your time to pursue other endeavors. However, it's crucial to approach this endeavor with caution, understanding the risks involved, and prioritizing safety and responsible trading practices. With careful planning, diligent execution, and a commitment to continuous learning, you can harness the power of AI to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading and potentially unlock a new stream of financial freedom.